Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Upwork talent. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, double taps app settings. In this list you will search about Upwork talent. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your attention.